Changemakers Innovation Lab is a 25 credit unit open to students from every faculty. It can be studied as a 2-week intensive in a regional community, and this year we were invited by the Great Southern University Centre to Koorabup, Denmark, where students got to spend 2 weeks working alongside regional leaders in the community, understanding local issues and co-creating solutions to these complex issues. It all culminated with a showcase back to the community.
What would a thrivable, livable Denmark look like to you?
Better relationship between tourists and locals. That's what I would really like.
We're here to learn more about the community by listening to key stakeholders in the area.
Hopefully we're going to get a lot of different perspectives and get to listen to a lot of different people.
I really value community, and I think that this course, this program, is all about making new community everywhere.
It's an amazing experience for students to come and have that hands-on experience.
We're here in Koorabup, Denmark to listen, to have fun, to make a difference and to connect.
I'd like to explain a couple of the traditional plants that we find around here and what we would use for weaving and other types of tool making.
I'm getting more than I have expected. I'm just learning so much.
Hearing the stories from the local population is really interesting.
I would love to be able to get some ideas with fresh perspectives.
I think it's really important that those community conversations occur in ways that lead to an outcome.
We bought this place, we're managing it, we kind of know what we need to do, but we have to keep the community along for the ride and be involved and aware of what we're doing and see the volunteer possibilities so they love and cherish it. So we're trying to actually set an example for them.
When students recognise that the only way forward in this world to create a better place is through relationship, is through community and through care, I'm happy.
Would you want to be part of a community that had these elements? This is the starting point for how we are going to create our tourist system.
In the real world, we live and work together, so it's really important to get to know how to work with a variety of different people. But also more importantly, solving complicated problems is going to require diverse mindsets, diverse skill sets and all kinds of people.
Really fascinating learning about these different cultures and dialects and the struggles of the people, but also as well that sense of triumph and hope that everyone in this community is coming together to look after and to protect this way of life. So yeah, it was pretty inspiring.
It's a good energy, yeah. People are coming here with a purpose that's beyond just having a good time. They're actually doing something which is furthering their own education but also contributing to this community.
We've got these fresh eyes developing ideas to respond to those issues. Students can participate in the regional Changemaker unit and use that as a platform to initiate those ideas.
They have done so well, they've surpassed any expectations. Watching community members go from being quite sceptical to being incredibly embracing of the work that students produce was amazing.
I think all of those projects reflected that each of the students had given thought about where they were, so they were appropriate to Denmark.
I think these kind of things remind us as locals and hopefully the decision makers there's different ways to do tourism.
Everybody should do this kind of thing. It really changes your mindset.
I think bringing a whole lot of university students into a place that's unfamiliar to them brings fresh eyes, it brings an innocent curiosity, it brings new questions, and I think that in and of itself offers new ways of looking.
If we all come together, if we all band together, then anything is possible.